Configuring ideas. Mastering the craft of organizing thoughts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing expression, configuring ideas. This phrase might sound technical at first, but it's all about organizing and shaping your thoughts in a way that they make sense not just to you, but to others as well. Whether you're writing an essay, preparing a presentation, or simply trying to express your thoughts more clearly, mastering this concept is key. Let's embark on this journey together. The term configuring traditionally relates to arranging or setting up something in a particular way. When we apply this to ideas, we're talking about arranging our thoughts into a coherent structure. Imagine your mind as a toolbox, and each idea is a tool. Configuring ideas, then, is about selecting the right tools and arranging them in the best order to complete a task effectively. Why is this important? Configuring your ideas is crucial for several reasons. Clarity. It helps you clarify your thoughts, making them easier to understand and communicate. Persuasion. Well-organized ideas are more persuasive, as they follow a logical flow that listeners or readers can easily follow. Efficiency. It saves time and energy, both for you and your audience, by avoiding confusion and misunderstanding. Configuring ideas is a skill that improves with practice. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Brainstorm. Start by jotting down all your ideas, no matter how disjointed they seem. 2. Categorize. Group related ideas together. This can help you see patterns and relationships between your thoughts. 3. Prioritize. Decide which ideas are the most important or should be presented first to build your argument or narrative logically. 4. Outline. Create an outline arranging your categorized and prioritized ideas into a beginning, middle, and end. 5. Review and revise. Look over your configured ideas. Make sure they flow logically and that each part supports your overall goal or message. Configuring ideas might seem daunting at first, but it's a powerful skill that will enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you work on organizing your thoughts, the better you'll become at expressing them clearly and persuasively. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.